we will be showing you how to change out a bobbin on the Digitran machine. The first thing you'll need to do is slide the bobbin throat plate off. Raise up the bobbin retention flap and remove your empty bobbin. You will then grab a full bobbin and place it into position and pull the flap down. Once this is accomplished, grab your thread and pull it around the bobbin knife right here and snap it into the bobbin hook. You can now close your bobbin throat plate. Make sure you pull your thread to the indent located at the bottom of the throat plate. You may now begin sewing. If performing double needle operations, simply repeat on the other side. Put in your new bobbin and bring your thread around the bobbin hook and snap into place. The indent on the left side of the throat plate will be above or further back from the machine. Now you are ready to begin double needle operations.